where we have helped a hearing aid provider build a high-performing lead generation system using the Google Ads. Hi everyone, my name is Amy and I am excited to share a detailed success story where we have helped a hearing aid provider build a high-performing lead generation system using the Google Ads. This was not just about running the ads, it was about understanding the product, the audience and the psychology behind what drives someone to seek hearing support. The business specialized in premium digital hearing aids and designed for seniors and individuals with mild to moderate hearing loss. Their products were rechargeable, discreet and easy to use, but despite having a strong product line, they were not selling online directly. Their goal was to generate high qualified leads through the form submissions and the phone inquiries, not just traffic. When we first connected with the client, they were already running the awareness campaigns on Facebook. These campaigns were driving impressions and some traffic, but the performance was average. They were getting the clicks but not enough meaningful engagement or conversions. The client was frustrated. They had invested time and budget into the ads, but the results were not matching the expectations. They wanted to explore Google Ads as a new channel to reach people actively searching for hearing support solutions. Since they had not yet launched any structured campaigns on Google, we had a clean slate to build something powerful and results driven. We have started by understanding the product's strengths and the audience needs. These hearing aids were designed for comfort, convenience and affordability, ideal for seniors, caregivers and anyone dealing with the hearing loss. The product came with a fast delivery, a 30-day return policy and was sourced from a certified facility. All of this gave us a strong foundation to build messaging that would resonate with the right audience. But before launching any ads, we need to make sure the website and the landing pages were optimized for the lead generation. We audited the site for clarity in messaging, ease of navigation and proper tracking setup. We have added the trust signals like the Google customer review certifications and simplified the form submission process to reduce friction. Once the foundation was ready, we have moved on to building the Google AdWords strategy. We have created tightly themed search campaigns focused on high intent keywords like hearing aids for seniors, affordable hearing devices, ear machines for elderly and invisible hearing aids. Each ad group was structured around specific user intent, whether they were looking for discrete design, budget-friendly options or rechargeable features. This allowed us to match the right message to the right search query. We wrote the ad copy that was clear, benefit-driven and emotionally resonant. We have highlighted features like noise cancellation, in-canal design, rechargeable batteries and fast doorstep delivery. We have also added the call extension and the lead form extension to make it easy for users to take action without needing to browse multiple pages. Targeting was a key part of our strategy. We have focused on the age groups between 55 and above, layered with interests like the senior health, audiology, assistive technology and elder care. We have excluded the irrelevant regions and devices that were not converting well and prioritized mobile traffic since most users were browsing on their phones. We have also implemented the location targeting to focus on the areas where the client could offer service or support. This helped us avoid wasted spend and concentrate on high potential leads. Once the campaigns were live, we have closely monitored the performance. We have added negative keywords to block irrelevant traffic, adjusted bids based on the device and location, and tested new ad assets to improve the engagement. We have also paused the underperforming ad groups and introduced new ones focused on competitor audiences and defined keyword targeting. One of the early challenges we faced was low conversion volume in the first few days. Instead of rushing to make the changes, we have stayed committed to testing and improving. We have analyzed the search term reports, refined match types, and optimized the landing page content to better align with the user expectations. We have also implemented the conversion tracking through the Google Tag Manager to ensure every lead was properly attributed. This gave us a clear visibility into which keywords, ads, and the devices were driving the results. Over the following weeks, the campaign began to gain momentum. Form submissions increased steadily, bounce rates dropped, and the client started receiving consistent inquiries from genuinely interested prospects. These were not just about the random clicks, they were people proactively searching for hearing support, filling out forms, asking for quotes, and showing intent to buy. So as the campaign matured, we have introduced the remarketing to actually re-engage with the users who had visited the website but had not converted. We have created the custom audiences based on the page views, form interactions, and the time spent on website. The remarketing ads focused on trust, urgency, and the reassurance, reminding users of the product's benefits and offering limited time discounts or free consultations. This helped us recover the lost leads and improve the overall conversion rates. We have also tested the Performance Max campaign to expand the reach across the Google's full inventory, including the YouTube, Gmail, and the display. We have uploaded the high quality creative structured asset groups by product category and added the audience signals based on the past converters. Performance Max helped us reach the users at different stages of the buying journey and drove incremental leads we would not have captured through search alone. Throughout the campaign, we have maintained a strong focus on the optimization. We have reviewed the search term reports weekly, added the new keywords, refined ads, and adjusted bidding strategies. We have used the automated rules to pause the lower performing ads and increase bids on the high converting ones. We have also ran the A/B tests on the landing pages, experimenting with the different headlines, form placements, and the trust element to improve the conversion rate. By the end of second month, the campaign had transformed into a high performing lead generation engine. The client was actually receiving hundreds of qualified leads each month, and the cost per acquisition had dropped significantly. The ROAS reached 6.34, meaning every $1 spent on the ads brought in $6 in terms of revenue. The business was no longer guessing. They had a structured, data-driven system that delivered consistent results. This case study is a great example of how a well-structured Google AdWords campaign, even without direct online sales, can drive meaningful results for the service-based businesses. With the right targeting, messaging, and the optimization, businesses can connect with the right audience and generate real leads. It's not about spending more, it's about spending smarter. So if your business is facing the similar challenges, don't settle for an average performance. Reach out for a free audit and let's build a campaign that actually gives results. So if you have any campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for a free audit. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can contact us on WhatsApp. You can just share your PPC account access and then we will be able to do the audit. We can let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But on the other side of things, if you do not have any campaigns running, then don't worry about it. Just share with us some basic information like the website URL, the monthly budget, and the location targeting. We can do the research and then we can get back with the plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Thank you for watching the video.